Get ready, start. You will be glad to hear that under the circumstances, I was able to attend the lecture, and though, as a rule, I do not care for such meetings, I enjoyed it very much indeed. Having regard to the subject, I think there ought to have been a much larger audience, but some who ought to have known about it pleaded ignorance in justification of their absence. With regard to the lecture itself, I have pleasure in giving you a summary of the chief points. In days gone by, according to the lecturer, it appears to have been the rule rather than the exception to walk as much as possible and only to ride when it was absolutely necessary, notwithstanding the fact that longer hours were worked than now. At the present day, however, all over the world, there is an ever growing tendency, on the one hand, to ignore to a great extent the value of walking, and on the other hand, to travel on all occasions by vehicles of one kind or another. Unfortunately, as the speaker truly observed, city life of today necessitates the use of rapid means of locomotion. But there is no reason why people should, as a matter of course, spend their leisurely weekend or their annual holiday scouring the countryside in a motor or rushing across great stretches of country in a train. Next para. In consequence of the short space of time at our own disposal, and having regard to all the circumstances under which the order was given, we are at a loss to understand the reason for the delay in the delivery of the machine which ought to have been here a week ago. We shall expect to receive it in a few days without fail. We are face to face with a difficulty which appears to have been in a great measure and to a great extent brought about by those who ought to have known better, and we shall be glad if you will look into the matter for us. Notwithstanding the fact that you are so busy yourself, the enclosed statement gives you our position in reference to the difficulty, and we shall be glad to have your expression of opinion on the matter at an early date. Stop.